You look like one of them. Those are your brothers. And it looks like the monkeys stole the chicken's food, so the chickens are scared off. So we got some bananas over here, and Brendan is feeding the little macaque monkeys. Bought some from the nun here. They're selling bananas, 3 for 50 baht. A little baby? Oh no. He's kind of overweight for a monkey. Look at how overweight. Oh, the little baby's underneath him. He's not overweight. Just looks like it. Oh my god, they all just came running down from the stairs over there. Everywhere. They're like rats. Oh my gosh, yeah, you better watch out. He's gonna keep it high, Brendan. He's gonna get you. Pretty cool. All out. Oh, now the dog is protecting Brendan from getting monkeys. They're all hanging out on the roof. That's it. No more bananas. They took them all. How did it feel to feed your ants? Those are your ancestors.
Got the whole bag. You can't even open it.